Party people, I'm telling you, this is now officially the update to the D-Stash. It's my birthday. You get the Press's D-Stash giveaway. It's not going to happen today. I just had to restart the upload, and now it's telling me an hour and 40 minutes. I feel so very, very badly. I am so very, very sorry. I knew that this day was going well, and it was very suspicious that I was having a light Tuesday. I mean, you Tuesdays tend to be still busy at work, and it was just going along too smoothly. But there you go. I'm very, very, very sorry, guys. I'm just going to reset this for tomorrow because Nana and I are supposed to have dinner together anyway, and there's no way I can do both. Do that and do this. So I'd rather just be less stressed and do this again tomorrow on the 20th, which is not my birthday. So now it's not my birthday, but you get the presents giveaway anyway. I don't know. However, what I am telling you guys is look below. Look in the description box. The rules to the giveaway are in there, and in there is the link to where you can download, to go to where you can enter the giveaway. That's already open. So go ahead, it's a link to a Google Docs. All you need to enter is your name, your email, and your and your address where I'm going to send a prize if you win. This is not visible to anyone else. I will be the only, these individuals, you'll see the form for you, and you've submitted. Nobody else will be able to see this. This is going to populate to a Google Docs that's on my Google Doc, in my Matt Scrapper Google Docs. So nobody will see this. I do not share this information with anyone. I'm not going to sell it. None of that stuff. Okay. So I can't apologize enough for this snafu. But there you go. Murphy and I, we seem to be best buds. And I really was super looking forward to talking to all of you and just hanging out and saying yay and no. And here's going to be, now I'm going to get stink eye from Steve because he's coming tomorrow. Usually he doesn't come until Thursdays because he works Monday through Wednesdays are his usual Friday, but he's dead after work. So I said, no, come on. Well, he's coming tomorrow because we have to get stuff out from the declutter we're doing here on Under the Curve because we're having a big pickup tomorrow. So this is going to be interesting. But there you go. It will be 6 o'clock tomorrow if it kills me. July the 20th, the day after my birthday. It's my godfather's birthday, may he rest in peace. So, I mean, it's somebody's birthday. Is it somebody else's birthday? I'll make it up to you guys. But anyway, thanks a lot for hanging in there with me. I'm going to go eat. I believe we're going to make Cuban sliders today with, roast pork left over from the party. And I'm going to shoot some more videos because that's what I feel like doing. So today's my birthday. I get to do what I want. I kind of, sort of. So thanks a lot. I will see you tomorrow at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And we will yak, and you'll see all the goodies that are coming in the giveaway. So now you get to wonder for an hour. So there, anticipation. Okay, that was your Carly Simon moment, or your Heinz ketchup commercial, whichever you like. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.